Today, we're exploring three amazing business machines, each for just $300. First up, we have the music boxing machine. This fun and engaging machine is priced at $300. This hexagonal device has 6 points that light up, and the goal is to hit the points as they light up, all while music plays. It connects to your mobile via Bluetooth and mounts easily on a wall. Here's how you can turn this into a business. 1. Business setup. Purchase the music boxing machine and find a small space to set up, like a home gym or a rented room. 2. Service offering. Offer fitness and entertainment sessions where customers can enjoy a fun workout by punching the lights in sync with music. 3. Market your business. Promote your sessions through social media, local ads, and fitness groups. Highlight the fun and interactive nature of your service. 4. Growth strategy. As demand increases, consider expanding your space or adding more machines to accommodate more customers simultaneously. Next, we have the 3D printing machine, also priced at $300. 3D printing opens up endless possibilities for custom manufacturing. Here's how to leverage this machine. 1. Business setup. Purchase the 3D printer and get some basic materials like PLA or ABS filament. 2. Service offering. Offer custom 3D printing services, creating unique items such as prototypes, models, toys, and personalized gifts. 3. Market your business. Showcase your creations on platforms like Etsy, social media, and local craft fairs. Offer bespoke designs for special events like birthdays and weddings. 4. Growth strategy. Expand your service offerings by investing in more advanced 3D printers and diversifying the types of materials you use. Partner with local businesses to offer rapid prototyping services. Next, we have the handheld food printer, priced at $300. This device lets you print Gibber edible designs on food items. Gibber how to turn it into a business. 1. Business setup. Purchase the handheld food printer and edible ink cartridges. Practice creating designs on different food items like cookies, cakes, and pastries. 2. Service offering. Offer custom edible printing services for bakeries, cafes, and event planners. You can also sell personalized treats for special occasions. 3. Market your business. Create a portfolio of your designs and showcase them on social media and local food markets. Offer package deals for events like weddings and corporate parties. 4. Growth strategy. As your business grows, invest in more food printers and expand your product line. Consider offering online orders and shipping to reach a broader audience. If you want more business ideas, click on the video being shown on the screen now.